Hi, I'm Prem Karno, the Pickleball Guru. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my signature paddle. I received numerous emails asking me what paddle should I choose. Frankly speaking, there's so many good paddles out in the market. What makes it so different from the other paddles? Apart from the fact that it is my signature paddle, it is not only signed by me, but it is also designed by me. It weighs about 7.6 ounces. It has a smaller head but a longer handle. It gives you a good grip, and it's well balanced between the head weight and your bottom handle weight. Try it. If you don't love it, you can learn from it. You have 14 days to return it back, and you can always apply your payment to one of our VIP sessions, boot camps, or clinics anywhere in the world. That's all I can tell you about it. Buy it. You will enjoy it.